Hi dear friends, it's me Harish Pukoran. Welcome back to new episode of Explore Yourself. Let us see what are the things we are going to discuss on today's video.
Today's topic is ages. Ages will be asked in three formats. One is past age, other one is the present age, and the third one is future age. We can expect a question or one question or two question from this area for all competitive examinations. So question will be like this: Ram is so much of years at present, then how much he will be after 15 years? Sometimes that type of questions will ask. Otherwise, that's a person. Maybe we can take Ram as a person. He have this much of age presently, and after 5 years, his age will be double of present age. Then what is the present age? Likewise, different types of questions they will ask. So, for doing the solution for this type of problems, we need to understand four concepts. So, we can look for that concept. The first one is, in every question, we should take or assume or treat it as x is the present age. In every question, we can take x as x is the present age. That is the first concept. The second concept, whenever we are doing past age, here we can take example before 15 years or 15 years ago. Question will be in the two formats. Sometimes they will ask before 15 years, otherwise 15 years ago. Both are meaningfully same. In that case, we will minus the years from the present age, that is x minus 15. That is the second concept. Then the third concept is regarding with the future age. Future age means after 15 years. We can take example after 15 years. And after 15 years, that means we should add that 15 along with the present age. Present age is x. So x plus 15 is the after 15, age of after 15 of that particular person. So this is the third concept. So I thought these three concepts are clear. Then the fourth one is, sometimes they will ask n times. That means 5 times, 6 times, 6 times of age. Likewise they will ask. In that we are taking present age is x. That means n times means n into x. X is the present age, that is n time means n into x. That is the fourth concept. So make sure these four concepts will be clear. Then only we can do the problems, then only we can solve the problems very clearly. So I thought these all are the things are clear with you. Now we can move with problem number 1. Krishna age after 15 years will be 5 times his age 5 years back. What is the present age of Krishna? So this is the question. It's a very simple question. Once again I will read the question. Krishna age after 15 years will be 5 times his age 5 years back. What is the present age of Krishna? So if we will get a question, I'm already told you, first let us write the given data. What are the data they were given in the question? We should write that one. Then only we will get the idea. So here the present age we will treat it as x. And the future age, here they told Krishna age after 15 years. That means future age means x plus 15. That is future age of Krishna is x plus 15. Then one more thing they were mentioned, 15 years will be 5 times his age 5 years back. Yeah, after 5 years his age will be 5 times 5 times age 5 years back. So old age is also there. Old age means before 5 years. Before 5 years old age is x minus 5. So we need to minus the 5 years from the present age, that is x minus 5 is the old age. So these are the things we got from the question. We wrote these all the things. Then they're asking to find what is the present age of Krishna. So we should create equation. Equation is creating by the data given in the question. So here x plus 15, that means after 15 years. Present age is x plus 15 means after 15 years age of Krishna is equal to 5 times of his age 5 years back. That means 5 times of 5 years back age. That is x plus 15 is equal to 5 into x minus 5. X minus 5 is the 5 years back age of Krishna. So equation is like this: x plus 15 is equal to 5 into x minus 5. This is the equation. We need to solve this equation. So here x plus 15 is equal to, here 5 into x minus 5, we are multiplying there, then I got x plus 15 is equal to 5x minus 25. So we are collecting x, all x are into one side, that is 5x minus 1x is equal to 15 plus 25, that is 4x is equal to 40. So 4x is 40, then x is equal to 40 by 4, that is 10 years. 10 years, x is 10 years. Here we took x as the present age of Krishna. The question is also the same: what is the present age of Krishna? So we got the answer, x is equal to 10. That means 10 years is the present age of Krishna. So we can look after 15 years, what will be the age of Krishna? After 15 years he have 25 age. Yeah, after 15 years he have 25. We can minus 5 from the present age, then we will get 5. His age will be 5. That is 5 will become 5 times, it will become 25 after 15 years. So the answer is correct. So this is the way. It's very simple way. First of all, we need to write all the things, all the materials, all the data given in the question, and we need to treat present age as x, and future age will be adding with the present age, and old age will minus from the present age. So after that we are creating the equation. So we create the equation and solve the equations, then we will get the x is the present age. So it's very clear. I thought you got the idea about this question. Then we can move to the problem number 2. A is 2 years older than B, who is twice old as C. The total age of A, B, C is 27. How old is B? This is the question. In this question also, let us write the given data. Here they are given some data like this. One is A is 2 years older than B. That is A is equal to 2 plus B. That is 2 years older than B. 2 plus B. Then B is twice old as C. B is twice old as C. That means B is equal to 2C. That is twice old as C. So we can take that nothing is telling about C. So we are taking C as the X. So if we will consider C as the X, then B is equal to B means already know 2C is the B. That means 2X. Then A is equal to 2 plus B. B is 2x, so A is equal to 2 plus 2x. So now we got some equations. Then one more thing they were given in the question, one more data they were given in the question, that is A plus B plus C is equal to 27. They told that the total ages of A, B, C is 27. So we are writing A plus B plus C is equal to 27. So instead of A we are writing 2 plus 2x, and instead of B we are writing 2x, and C is x. So the formula is like this: 2 plus 2x plus 2x plus x is equal to 27. So all x will be come to one side, then total 2 plus 2x, that is 4x, plus x, that is 5x. 2 plus 5x is equal to 27. Then 5x is equal to we can keep x on one side, that is 5x is equal to, we are moving 2 to other side, I mean we are moving 2 to right side, so plus 2 will become minus 2, that is 5x is equal to 27 minus 2, that is 5x is equal to 25. So 5x is 25, so x is equal to 25 by 5, so x is 5, we got x is 5, but question is not like that. X means we took x is the age of C, but the question how old is B, we need to find out the age of B. So you know B, we already they were given B who is twice old as C, so B is 2C, so B is equal to 2x, that is B is equal to 2 into 5, so 2 into 5 is 10, the age of B is 10, that is the answer. So it's also very clear, you know that everything is there in the question, we are writing all the things, all the data, and we are making the equations already based on question, we are making the equations and we are solving that equations. So if we are solving the equation, we will get the figure of x, and if we will get the figure of x, definitely we can find out all other ages. So here also we got C's age firstly as x, then B's age is 2C, so we are giving 2 into 5, that is 10 is the answer. So we can move to next question, that is problem number 3. Present age of Samir and Anand are in the ratio 5:4 respectively. 3 years hence, their ratio will become 11:9 respectively. What is Anand present age? What is the present age of Anand? So this is the question. So here the proportion, ratio and all the things are coming. We were studied the ratio on before this video. Yesterday's video we already studied some questions related with ratio. Here the question is related with the age, so we are using something from there also, some data from the ratios also we are doing here. So if we will get a question, first we need to let us write the given data. The given data are Samir's age. Samir's age is 5x, that means 5:4, so we are treating 5x. So Anand age is 4, that means 4x. 5:4, in that Samir age is 5x and Anand age is 4x. So here 3 years hence, 3 years hence means hence age is future age, I mean after 3 years, that is hence 3 means after 3 years, that means future age. Here after 3 years the age will be on this way, that is Shamir age will be 5x plus 3 and Anand age will be 4x plus 3. So 5x plus 3 is to 4x plus 3 is equal to 11:9. So I'm already told you on the ratios chapter, we can write the ratios on equation, I mean numerator and denominator method. So here also we are writing the same, 5x plus 3 divided by 4x plus 3 is equal to 11/9. So we were studied this thing on previous lesson. If anybody have any confusion regarding with this, you can look the ratio proportion video on our YouTube channel. So then after writing this one, for 5x plus 3 divided by 4x plus 3 is equal to 11/9, we need to make cross multiplication. So if you are making cross multiplication, it will be like this, 5x plus 3 into 9 is equal to 4x plus 3 into 11. So if you are multiplying all, it will be on this format, that is 45x plus 27 is equal to 44x plus 33. So we are moving all x part into left side, that is already 45x is there in the left side, So we are moving 44x also into left side. So positive 44x will become negative if it is coming right side to left side. So that is 45x minus 44x is equal to 33. That is already there. So we are moving 27 into right side. So positive 27 will become negative 27 on that end. That is 33 minus 27. So 45x minus 44x is equal to 33 minus 27. So 45x minus 44x is x. Only one x, that means x is equal to 33 minus 27 is 6. So now we got x. So we got x. But the question, what is the present age of Anand? So it's very easy to find out the present age of Anand now because we got x. Anand's present age is 4x. So 4x is equal to 4 into 6. 4 into 6 is 24. 24 years is the present age of Anand. So it is the way to find out if the question will ask on ratio in the form of ratio. So in the age problems and ratio problems are combined on this problem. So if you have any doubt regarding the ratios, definitely you can look the previous video from our YouTube channel, that is ratio and proportion shortcuts and basics. So that also very helpful to you to find out the solution for this question. So the answer is present age of Anand is 24 years. So I thought this clear for all the people. So I need to say a few more things to you. There is no tricks to find out the solution for age problems. If any other problems, we can see some tricks are there. But here in the age problems, there is no tricks to find out the solution for the age problem. But it's all how you understand the problem. It's based on how you understand the problem. So first of all, clearly read the question and understand thoroughly what is there in the question. Then after that you can make the solution. So you need to practice more questions, more problems by changing the figures on the workout problem given by me, or otherwise you can also make the problems and you can solve that problems and make sure you will be very easy to get answer for the age problems, because this is a very essential part of all competitive examinations. Okay, thank you.
Hi dear friends, I thought this information is useful for all the people who are going to write the competitive examination. Please share this information among your friends and relatives. If you want to get the videos like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Explore Yourself with Harish Pukodan. I wish you all the very best for each and every person. It's me, Harish Pukodan.